Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Ciate London Velvet Lip Liner, and this is one of the products from my November 2022 Boxycharm base box. So I have that unboxing video now up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet. But I'm excited about this because I love lip liners. And I got this in the shade Cocoa, which I'm excited to see how this is going to look on me. It seems much more in my comfort zone than the other lip liners that I got in my Boxycharm premium box this month. You know, I just put that together that I got lip liners in both of my Boxycharm boxes this month. But this Ciate London one seems much better than the other ones because this is like a shade that I'm hoping will look better on me, and this is supposed to be long lasting. And that's something that I think is really important in lip liners because I don't want them to budge. This is also vegan, I believe cruelty free. Yeah, and it retails for $18. Oh, and I love that it's the type of lip liner that twists up. So let's start out with a swatch. Ooh, I really like this color. When it comes to lip liners, I really like a shade that's similar to my natural lip color because I like to use it with clear glosses or to overline my lips. And this, I would say, actually comes out a little bit lighter and a little bit more pink than it looks in the packaging. So here is what that swatch looks like compared to the packaging here. And my lips right now are very chapped, but I'm going to see how this is on chapped lips as well. But before I get to that, I'm going to go ahead and just line my lips. So on my bottom lip, I like to just line it on my natural lip line. But on my top lip, since it's smaller, I like to overline a little bit. But this shade, like you can see, it is very similar in tone to my natural lip color, but it still defines the lips. So I'm excited about this shade. Also, I feel like it does slightly tug on the lips. Like it's not the most glide on easy to apply, but it's not hard. And it's very easy to get precise with this, which is very important to me. There, now my lips look a little bit more symmetrical. I've added a little bit more to the top lip, and I'm really liking the look of this. It really does just like, exactly like I said, define my lips. And so it is not necessarily the type that I would need to fill in my lips with because I could just, even as it is right here, go over with a clear gloss because this shade is really such a perfect color for my natural lips. But I also just love to test out lip liners by filling in my entire lips with them. So let's see how that goes. Wow, that's actually easier than I was expecting to fill in my lips, and it's not really clinging on the dry patches. Like, I still have the chapped dry texture, but the color is even and opaque. Wow, I really like this color. It's such a like flattering, easy to wear nude shade for me. And this claims to be long lasting. So let's see if there's transfer. Wow, yes. Barely any transfer. There's just a little hint of it that you can see, but I would pretty much say that this is transfer proof and really is long lasting. Like that didn't make it fade or change it at all with that little bit of transfer. So this is what I look for in my lip liners. I'm so happy with this. Love the long lasting, love the color, love how it applies, how it looks. So this I'm very happy to have in my collection. Like this is exactly what I like to use as my go-to pretty much daily lip liner. So of course, if you've tried this out, maybe you got it in your Boxycharm as well. I would love to hear in the comments down below what you think of it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.